वालेकुम व्यूवर, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो फ्रेंड्स, सबसे पहले जो भाई चैनल पे नए हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि मेरी आने वाली लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले भाइयों तक पहुंच सके। तो चले फ्रेंड्स, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए चलते हैं टॉपिक की तरफ। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है फ्रेंड्स, वो है एपिसोड एंड मैस्टोलीमिया इन जर्मनी। बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए चलते हैं टॉपिक की तरफ। The history of mesothelioma. Mesothelioma history shows the earliest record of tumors on the lining of the lungs. Lungs occurred in 1760. It was not until 1909 that J.G. Adamy coined the term mesothelioma to classify this rare cancer. Mesothelioma was linked to asbestos exposures in 1930s. How do people get mesothelioma? The primary cause of mesothelioma is asbestos exposure. Most cases trace back to occupational exposure in the workplace. Mesothelioma carries a long latency period. It can take anywhere from 15 to 70 years for the cancer to develop after a person's first exposure to asbestos. This cancer is still considered incredible advances in treatment allows patients to live longer, better quality life. Only about 15% to 20%, 15 to 20% people with pleural mesothelioma qualify for surgery. Surgeries help some people live years longer than the average 1 year. Prognosis, doctors, researchers, and advocacy groups hope to one and find a cure. When was mesothelioma first discovered? Tumors in the mesothelium were first identified in the mid-1700s. As the term mesothelioma was first used in the early 1900s, as it forms in the mesothelium a protective layer that surrounds internal organs. 1767, Jospin Letucid is the founder of pathologic anatomy in France. He made the earliest mention of a tumor in the pleural mesothelium living of the lungs. Letucid documents to the first record cases of pleural mesothelioma 1819. René Thalifia Hilligand Lenick is the French physician who invented the stethoscope. He suggested malignancy could arise from the pleural. 1843. Karl Verheer von Procurrency was a professor of pathological anatomy of Vienna University. He challenged that nation. He stated pleural cancer was a cancer always secondary of a primary cancer elsewhere in the body. This becomes the accepted theory of the medical establishment for many years. He described primary tumors of the peritoneum in 1954. It was among the first recorded cases of peritoneal mesothelioma. Early 1900s, the medical community began to accept that cancers could originate in the pleura. 1909, J.G. Adamy coined the term mesothelioma, classified the rare cases. 1935, Stephen R. Gloin was a British pathologist. He was the first to suggest that occupational asbestos exposure causes mesothelioma. 1943, H.W. Welder was a German researcher. He published a study of asbestos workers. It showed a connection between asbestosis and plural mesothelioma. J. Tristol J. Tristol 1960 J. Tristol Wagner published a study of 33 mesothelioma cases linked to an asbestos mine South Africa. It confirmed the causal relationship behind a reasonable doubt. Scientific research continued to establish evidence linking mesothelioma to asbestos exposures. Workers began filing asbestos lawsuits in the 1920s. By the end of the 1970s, mesothelioma lawsuits become common. Historical studies of mesothelioma and asbestos exposures. The medical establishment has accepted two important facts about mesothelioma. The disease is a distinct diagnostic entity. The association between mesothelioma and asbestos exposure is proven. Groundbreaking German studies. One in 1943, H.W. Welders was the first to report a connection between asbestos and cancer of the pleura and Germany. Asbestos workers, approximately 20% of the workers developed cancers with the lung cancer more common of the mesothelioma. Welder's study was well received in Germany, but the political climate at the time caused the rest of the world to ignore research coming from Nazi Germany. South African studies, J.C. Wagner and physician Chris Seleggs and led a study on asbestos exposures. It showed a connection between asbestos exposures and cancers. In their paper published by the British Journal of Medicine in 1960, it declined 33 cases of mesothelioma they discovered in residents of South Africa. Corroborates asbestos mining contaminated the area around the mine. In 8 cases, the asbestos exposures history was occupational. The rest of the patients had lived near the mines for most of their lives. तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसी लगी आपको मेरी ये वीडियो एस्बेस्टोस एंड मेसोथेलिया इन जर्मनी। तो सबसे पहले भाई जो नए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को ऑन कर लें ताकि मेरी आने वाली लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले भाई तक पहुंच सके। तो ताकि कोई भी बेल आइकन को लाजमी से ऑन कर लें ताकि कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना हो। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़।